Products that move in a constant speed past the Redimark TC12 inkjet coder will produce a consistent code width from one product to the next. If the inkjet code shows horizontal distortion, or if it looks truncated or spread out too wide from one product to the next, then it's likely you may have a variable conveyor speed and you will need to install a line speed encoder. A line speed encoder measures the moving conveyor belt speed by providing position pulses into the TC12 inkjet coder. The change in conveyor speed results in a change in the rate of position pulses the TC12 receives. If you need a line speed encoder, you can purchase one at Redimark.com. Use the sensor encoder splitter cable that you received with your encoder from Redimark to connect the encoder. Now, insert the sensor encoder splitter connector into the top port of the TC12 printhead. With the line speed encoder connected on one cable, connect the external product sensor using the other cable connection. Install the encoder on the conveyor line and make any necessary adjustments to the spring tension. See the instruction manual for more details. Now let's set up the TC12 to enable the line speed encoder. Tap on Settings at the top of the main screen. In the Coding tab, tap on the encoder button and enter the number of pulses per foot or meter if you have the TC12 set to metric. Here is a guide on how to calculate how many pulses per foot your encoder produces. First, identify the number of pulses per revolution your encoder provides. A label on your encoder should detail this number. In this example, we will use the number 2500. Now measure the diameter of the encoder wheel. For this example, we will use 2.5 inches. We must now calculate the circumference of the encoder wheel so we can work out how many revolutions the encoder turns within 1 foot or 12 inches of conveyor travel. To calculate circumference, multiply pi times the wheel diameter and this equals 7.85 inches. Divide 12 inches by 7.85 inches and we work out that the encoder wheel turns 1.52 revolutions per foot. Simply multiply 1.52 times the encoder pulse per revolution rate of 2500 and we work out that this encoder produces 3800 pulses per foot. You're all set. You are now ready to use your Redimark TC12 with the line speed encoder.